Hey everybody, a little bit right in between too many builds at one time, so I don't have enough progress on one to give you guys an update, but I do have some cool kits that just came in, so I plan on giving you a little bit of a stash ad tour of what I got. So the first one I end up getting, I saw this one on Auto World. I'm the guys that Round 2 pretty much sell direct from. This is the Hippie Hemi, and it does say it's an exclusive one for this release from them, and they actually had it on sale, so it was pretty cheap. It was a nice price, and as you can see, that box is probably the smallest one I've gotten in a while, but it's a full 1/25th scale kit. Should be a fun little dragster. It's got multiple colored glass. The big old style dragsters. Even got some hoses. It's got a straight axle. The only problem is it's molded in yellow. It comes with some signage and everything. I haven't gone through all that, but there's some cool stuff in there. It comes with the mini box art. Mini box for the mini box. I think it was like $11, $12 for this kit when I saw it. So I was like, well, super cheap. I was buying something anyhow. I needed like $10 more for free shipping. Shipping was over 30 bucks, so I'd say I got that for free. Another one I just got in. This one I have been looking for a very long time. I actually got this one sealed, which was actually quite important for this kit. A lot of times people would butcher the kit. They'd take a lot of stuff out of it for their other kit builds and try to sell it on eBay for a full kit. This one was sealed, and of course as soon as I got it, I had to open it. And I've already been playing with it, looking at all this stuff, looking at the fenders, flares and stuff. I did build the last release of this kit, which was from the same mold. It was a red Camaro, but they did make sure they took out all the parts. You know, the fender flares wasn't in it, the front bumper wasn't in it. It did have some odd stuff, like it did have the carburetors in it, so it's kind of like, what the hell does these go to? And then that's how I knew this kit was part of that kit. I always knew this kit was out there. This is one I've always wanted, mostly because it's an IMSA race car. Then I looked at the decals and noticed that they had decals for 2 different versions, and it's like, well, hell, I want another one now. So that's the problem we all have. Seems like a common issue. Start buying model kits, you gotta have more and more. This is the one that a lot of people have been waiting on. Once I saw that, I made sure I pre-ordered that. I did not want to miss out on that. After missing out on that, was it the 29 Ford or the 30 Ford? Whichever one the idiots destroyed the tool on. They had a hissy fit and destroyed the tool and made it so that we all haven't got it, that Revell kit. I mean, that's so damn childish. The damn tool makers or whatever, if that story is true, then people need the shit beat out of them. If somebody didn't pay your bills or something like that, you're gonna beat up the tool. That is very unprofessional, and I hope that they never have business again. But with that being said, I made sure I pre-ordered this, because if I really want a kit, I ain't waiting. I'm gonna get the damn thing on order and go for it. I mean, everybody's been seeing this going around. I'm sure as hell not gonna build that truck. I got enough regular trucks. I don't have any wedge trucks. I might end up getting another one of those. I don't know. You know me. I probably will. I got enough kits to last the rest of my life in. But a quick glimpse of it. If you guys want to see an unboxing, let me know. I'll do a separate video of it. But just see inside, it's pretty loaded. It's got some nice tires. Even got some custom grills. My kit did come with the steering wheel destroyed. So chrome gas tanks. Everybody's got to have a chrome gas tank and a chrome jack. And the body. I did notice, well, I might as well do an unboxing now. I did notice a little bit of rust coming, so this one might have been one of the earlier ones. It probably was working out some rust out of the mold. But I'm sure it'll paint over alright. And then like one of the bumpers is some flash, looks like some grease. I have to make sure I clean that up real good. And then the bed, some wheels, and the frame. More bed parts, hood, and that. If you guys want a full unboxing, or I'll take it out of the plastic, let me know. A couple people want to see it, I'll show it to you. I ended up pre-ordering this through Model Roundup. I was trying to see who would do the pre-order first. They seem to have the pre-order first. And with that pre-order, I made sure I got me one of these as well. This seemed like a pretty cool truck. And after I opened it up, you know, the artwork, you don't realize it, but they have 4-wheel slicks on that. So he's doing a 4-wheel burnout. That had to be a hell of a sight to see. It does have the velocity stacks. And then you can have the open window. Drag parachute is in the kit. There's a bunch of stuff there. This one too, if you guys want to see an unboxing of that. I'm sure there's other people out there that are doing a much better job than I do one. But if you want to see me do an unboxing, let me know. I did have a couple other kits. Let's see. I did get this one. I got this one with the Camaro. These two kits actually shipped out before Christmas. I think they actually shipped on Christmas Eve. And I just got them this week. This week, I think, yeah. And it got all the way close to my house. It was 2 hours away. The damn thing shipped all the way back to where it came from in the first place. Then it sat there for 3 weeks, for God knows why, and then it finally came to the house. I mean, they can blame that COVID, you know, all they want, but you can't fix stupid. And COVID ain't making these people stupid, they're just stupid. If they ship the shit to the right place and do it, they wouldn't have to be so far behind. I also got that cool water slide. That one just came out this, I think just recently. It was held up with the pre-order. It's got all the cool rat finks on it. So now I could be putting him on a bunch of stuff. And I got some 76 and Phillips 66 signage. I figured one of my builds I think one of the trucks I'll probably end up building as like a gas truck for like a service station. And then some of the other gas pump signage. Try to make an antenna ball. Use a pin. Paint it orange and then try to get as close to that orange and then put that decal on it. Make a antenna ball like they used to have back in the day. It shows pretty small on that there. But I haven't looked at the sheet. So I guess it's that size. So that would work pretty good for that. That way I could have 2 antenna balls on there. Alright. Enough of me showing you my stash and doing some venting. Until next time, guys, I'll talk to you later. Have a great one. Bye.